What's up everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clean your camera sensor, so let's get started. So I did notice a couple days ago that my sensor had a very faint smudge on it, so let's take a look. Yep, right there, that line. Okay, so first of all, if you own any DSLR or mirrorless camera, one tool you must have is a blower. If you ever see dust on your lens or anything, you do not want to blow with your mouth. You want to use one of these blowers and they're gone. So to clean the sensor, we will use one of the sensor cleaning kits you can buy on Amazon. They're pretty cheap and they will come with a blower, a solution for your lens and sensor. And this is the most important thing, sensor cleaning swab kit. These are what we're going to use to touch the sensor. Okay, so we'll pick out two. I'll show you why. The first thing we want to do is use the blower to blow out any particles on the sensors. We will point our camera down so the sensor is facing down, and when we blow on it, anything that's stuck can just fall down. First swab. Okay, this is how it looks. There. Point the camera in the opposite direction first. Get the solution, and you don't want to spray on it. You want to spray in the air while it gently just fades onto the swab. So something like that. And now what we'll do is gently sweep across the sensor while flipping the swab. And you can see right away our smudge is gone. Super clean. You might see a particle, but you can blow that off. Now we'll use the second one and we will keep this dry. So now what we'll do is just wipe off anything left. So one sweep, then flip, and then another sweep. And your sensor should be as clean as new. So now sensor down. Let's check. And that looks clean. Alright, so this is how you clean your sensor. Nice and shiny. I hope this video was helpful. I'll leave links for a couple of cleaning kits in the description below. And if you liked it, please subscribe so I can make more of these simpler camera videos. See you guys in the next one.